Let's take a look across the Atlantic Ocean here on the 5th of June, 2021. I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta. By the way, not too much happening out there. We do have a little bit of convection out across the Gulf of Mexico. That's nothing I'm terribly concerned about. Now, do remember as we head into the month of June, though, the Gulf of Mexico is the prime area for development. But at least for now, the next week, there's nothing out there. Now, the very, very long range forecast does hint at something out there, but, we have plenty of time to watch it, but this would go along with the general tracks that we do see in the month of June. So definitely keeping an eye on it. Actually, 5 years ago today, we even had a tropical depression out in the Gulf of Mexico, believe it or not. But as we go ahead through June, we still do have that chance, but remember, we don't typically peak out until August heading to September. By the way, plenty of military here in Jacksonville, and we have about 50 to 70,000 American citizens working with the military on the island of Okinawa. And guess what? If you got any friends out there, they're experiencing a tropical storm right now. That's Choi-wan. It's actually been bringing some wind gusts up and over 50 miles per hour for some of those bases there. So yeah, if you got any friends out that way, give them a shout.